All by myself. Really bored. If you're watching this, you must be bored too, because this is not an exciting video. It's a very boring video. But I have nothing to video and put on YouTube, so I'm just making a video of fireworks, and my neighbors are really slow. So it takes them like 5 minutes to make another firework. So you can just fast forward to the next part if you want to. So I'm probably just gonna sit here talking. That cloud looks like... Well, actually, I don't know if you can see it. But from here, it looks like an elephant. Yeah. This camera's weird. Can't see anything. It's all dark. I can see stuff right now. God, what is taking them so long? It's taking freaking forever. It sounds like thunder, but it's actually just fireworks in Marietta. It's really weird. My voice probably sounds all weird. My voice sounds retarded. What the crap? Hurry up. Oh, look, I see them. They're lighting it right now. They're about to run away. Yep, right about now they're running away. Oh, it's one of those little flashy things. Yeah, guys, this is so exciting. I'm scooting up. I don't want them to see me, because then they're going to make me go over there and watch it with them. Woo. So cool. They're probably picking up another one now. I'm scooting back. Aha. Yeah, like I said, this is really boring. But I'm tired of just having one video on YouTube. Oh, they're lighting another one. But it's taking forever because they don't know how to work a lighter. Boom. That's loud. What happened to the other one? Oh, they're lighting it over there now. I love these ones because they're always sparkly. I like that noise. My neighbors are probably like, look at that freaky girl laying in her driveway talking to herself. Okay with that. Yay! That was so cool. Oh no, the cloud that looks like an elephant. It just looks like a line. Because it all got smushed together. That's so sad. Oh, they're lighting another one. Like, are you lighting? because they don't want to get like blown up. I really liked that one. Blue is my favorite color. They're lighting another one. They're kind of going faster now. Those two lights in the background are some street lights. One by the pool and one by my neighbor's house. They're not like little fireworks or anything. There's a lot of bugs. Sounds like crickets. I wish there was someone to hang out with. It's really boring. A plane. Flash, flash, flash. Bye-bye. Oh, I wonder when they're gonna do another one. Oh, they just brought one out. They're gonna put it in the little, what's it called? Something, it's a pipe, but I forget what it's called. They just cut it up and then they stick these fireworks in it and they light them. They run away and hope it doesn't melt and burn themselves. That'd be funny because I don't like them. There should be some music. Dude, some ashes just land on my head. It's like on my, I hope my head doesn't like light on fire. That would suck. In a big way. Ow, I think a bug just bit me. Ow. They bought like 1 million fireworks this year. I don't see what the point is.